guys, it's Victoria here. Today we're going to talk a little bit about the Primebiome. I know that if you're here in this video, that's because you are already looking for more information about this supplement, then you're on the right video. Stick until the end so you can know everything about it, but I already left the link for the official website in the description below in case you need it after watching this video, okay? For a while, guys, I was constantly feeling bloated and uncomfortable after meals, No matter what I ate, it felt like my stomach was always in turmoil. I tried all kinds of diets, but nothing seemed to help me. That's when I decided to give Primebiome a try. It is a supplement that's designed to help balance your gut health, and it's made a huge difference for me. Primebiome is a probiotic supplement that contains a powerful blend of ingredients like prebiotics and probiotics that work together to support healthy digestion. These ingredients help restore the natural balance of your gut microbiome, which is key for proper digestion and overall health. After researching the product, I felt confident that it was exactly what I needed. Not mentioning that it can also help with the health of your skin because it will replace the old cells by new cells. So it will also feel rejuvenated. I love how easy it is to incorporate Primebiome into my daily routine. I take it once a day and it is so simple. I've been using it for a few weeks now and honestly I've already noticed huge improvements. My digestion is smoother, I feel less bloated, I just feel better overall, and my skin looks better than ever. What I've noticed the most since starting Primebiome is how much better I feel after eating as well. I no longer feel sluggish or bloating and I don't have to worry about discomfort. I have more energy and just feel healthier overall. One of my favorite things about Primebiome is how it's not just about fixing symptoms. It is about supporting long-term digestive health. By restoring balance to my gut, I've noticed improvements not just in digestion, but in my skin, energy levels, and even my mood. It is truly, being a game changer for me. Before you go, guys, here's an important tip for you. Primebiome can only be purchased from the official website. There are other products out there, but to get the authentic version and experience the real benefits, make sure to click the link in the description below, okay? If you're ready to improve your gut health and feel better every single day, give Primebiome a try. Thanks for watching, guys. Remember that there's also a money back guarantee that protects you, so go there to check it out. See you guys around.